Welcome to Financial Ingredients, your source for financial wisdom and fun quizzes. Today, we'll test your knowledge on a range of money matters, investing, and financial legends. So, let's dive right in with our first question. What is the measure of the fear index in the stock market? A. Consumer Price Index. B. Volatility Index. C. The Lipstick Indicator. D. Dow Jones Industrial Average. The right answer is B. Volatility Index. The Fear Index, the VIX, or Volatility Index, is often referred to as the Fear Index because it measures the market's expectation of volatility. It tends to rise during times of market uncertainty. It might not be a bad idea to check this index from time to time. History has shown that the VIX has been a valuable indicator, accurately reflecting market sentiment and predicting shifts in volatility. Let's move on to our next financial quiz question. Are you ready for a challenge? Who is recognized as the father of indexing? A. Warren Buffett. B. John Bogle. C. Benjamin Graham. D. Ray Dalio. John C. Bogle was an American investor, business magnate, and the founder of the Vanguard Group, one of the world's largest and most respected investment management companies. He is best known for his pioneering work in the field of index investing and for introducing the first index mutual fund, the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, in 1976. This fund tracked the performance of the S&P 500 and offered investors a low-cost, passive way to invest in a broad market index. There are numerous automobile companies on the stock market, but which one reigned supreme in terms of profitability in 2022? Which automobile company had the highest P/E ratio, price-to-earnings ratio, in 2022? A. Mercedes-Benz Group. B. Tesla, Inc. C. Ford Motor Company. D. Toyota Motor Corporation. With 2.45 million vehicles sold in the year, the Mercedes-Benz Group was the most profitable car company in the world in 2022. Profit of $27.2 billion and recording profits of $27.2 billion. Following closely in second place was Toyota Motor Corporation, reporting profits of $25.37 billion. Which financial book holds the record for being the all-time bestseller? A. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. B. Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. C. The Millionaire Next Door, by T.J. Stanley and W.D. Danko. D. A Random Walk Down Wall Street, by Burton G. Malkiel. The financial book that holds the record as the all-time bestseller is Rich Dad Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. In which company does Norway's sovereign wealth fund hold the largest position? A. Apple. B. Microsoft Corporation. C. Saudi Aramco. D. Alphabet. The fund, which invests the Norwegian state's revenues from oil and gas production, owns on average 1.5% of all listed stocks worldwide. It also invests in bonds, unlisted real estate and renewable energy projects. The Norway Sovereign Fund invested $33 billion in Apple, but this amount is still only a fraction of the combined investments held by Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett, which are nearly 5 times greater. What is a circuit breaker? A circuit breaker in the New York Stock Exchange is a mechanism put in place to temporarily halt or suspend trading in the event of significant and rapid market declines. It is designed to prevent extreme market volatility and give investors and traders a chance to regroup during turbulent times. At the beginning of each trading day, the New York Stock Exchange establishes 3 circuit breaker thresholds. Level 1, which corresponds to a 7% drop, Level 2, set at a 13% decline, and Level 3, marked by a 20% decrease. These thresholds represent the percentage downturns in the value of the S&P 500 index required to trigger a pause in trading. The baseline price levels used to apply these thresholds are recalculated daily, based on the closing value of the S&P 500 from the previous trading day. When was the last circuit breaker on the New York Stock Exchange? A. March 18, 2020. B. October 29, 199. C. August 24, 2015. D. May 6, 2010. From its launch in 1988 until early 2020, the U.S. market-wide circuit breaker saw activation only once, which occurred on October 27, 1997. But when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, it was triggered 4 times in just 10 days. I'm thrilled to be creating content for this channel, and I'm even more delighted to have you as a viewer. Your feedback is invaluable, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Your input will help us continue to improve our quizzes and bring you the best content possible. To whom belongs the saying, "A penny saved is a penny earned"? A. Benjamin Franklin. B. Warren Buffett. C. John D. Rockefeller. D. Andrew Carnegie. This simple but profound saying emphasizes the importance of saving money. Franklin suggests that saving money is not only equivalent to earning money but is, in fact, a form of earning. This advice encourages frugality and thrift, highlighting that the money you don't spend or waste on unnecessary expenses is effectively adding to your wealth. What does the lipstick indicator say? A. It's an indicator of market trends based on lipstick sales. B. It's a measure of consumer confidence. C. It predicts stock market crashes. D. It's an indicator of inflation. The lipstick indicator is a term used in economics and finance to describe a phenomenon where the sales of inexpensive or small luxury items, like lipstick, tend to increase during times of economic recession or downturn. This indicator is based on the idea that during challenging economic periods, people may cut back on larger discretionary purchases, but continue to buy smaller indulgences to maintain a sense of normalcy and self-esteem, to boost morale or make oneself feel better when facing economic uncertainty. While it's not a precise economic indicator, it highlights the fascinating ways in which consumer psychology can influence spending patterns during economic fluctuations. Which of the investment golden coins does not exist? A. Australian kangaroo. B. Spanish golden bull. C. Chinese panda. D. American eagle. Own any gold coins or precious materials? Please don't write it in the comments. But I won't say no to a like and subscribe from you. Complete the quote. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is free. Alexander Elder. A. The ultimate goal. B. Secondary. C. The primary focus. D. Just a reward. In essence, Elder's view is that if traders concentrate on making quality trades, managing risk, and maintaining psychological discipline, they are more likely to achieve their financial goals in the long run. Money is the outcome of these processes, but it should not be the sole focus during trading. This perspective encourages traders to adopt a more holistic and disciplined approach to their trading activities. Dr. Elder has a unique background that combines his expertise in both trading and psychology. He earned a medical degree and practiced psychiatry before turning his attention to financial markets. His background in psychiatry has allowed him to explore the psychological aspects of trading, such as the impact of emotions on investment decisions. If you're interested in delving deeper into his work, here are 3 of Dr. Elder's notable books. The New Trading for a Living, Come Into My Trading Room, Trading for a Living. In the video description, you'll discover links to all the other books I've mentioned. I hope you enjoyed my first quiz, and I look forward to creating more engaging content in the future. Remember, making rational investment decisions is crucial. Please make well-informed choices and refrain from purchasing financial products solely based on what you've seen in this video. It's important to note that I'm not a financial advisor,